Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you how to source and install new fonts for your designs. So this is a website called dafont.com, and it's currently got over 39,000 fonts. So this is a website that I use quite a lot. If you know what kind of font that you're looking for, then you can just click one of these little headers here. If you don't know what you're looking for, then I recommend just having a click of them. Having a browse. These ones here are the recently added fonts, so that's a good place to have a look. You can click on all of the new fonts and it will show you loads of them. So they're all like mixed. You can type in here, so say demo font, change the size to large, and it will actually demo the font for you, so you can see what a certain phrase or whatever you're going to put in your design will look like when you use the font. If we go back to here, so I usually use the ones under the script subheading, so like calligraphy, the handwritten ones, the brush ones are really nice. We'll have a little browse of those. So calligraphy, I think everyone knows what calligraphy is. It's quite nice. Handwritten can be quite nice for if you have like coffee designs and things like that. That's quite nice. Ah, that one's quite good as well. And brush. There we go. So these ones have like a brush effect to them. That one's quite cool. Yeah, so that's how you find them. When you want to download them, we'll just pick a random one here. So when you want to download them, you can see here it says free for personal use, and that means that you can download it for free as long as you're just going to use it for your own things. You're not going to sell anything with it. But obviously we will be selling it on products, so we'd donate to the author, or if you download it, just click the download. They usually come with like a README file, license request. There we go. So it tells you where to download it, or where to contact the creator of it if you want to use it for commercial. To install it, we need to extract it. So we'll extract the font, there we go. And then all we're going to do is just open it, double click, and then install. And there we go, it's installed. So we can head over to Photoshop. We'll screen it. Okay, we'll open a new document. What was it called? Hi Destiny. So if we scroll down here, there we go. Hi Destiny. There we go. So that's available to use on all of your designs now. Like I said, if you are going to use these for your Redbubble or print on demand products, then I recommend buying it from the creator or donating some money to them at least. They're usually quite cheap, and if you're going to make like £50, £100 on a design, then it'll pay for itself eventually. Yeah, so that's how you do it. I should also just mention that other sites are available. If you know that you're looking for, say, a calligraphy font, you can just search on Google calligraphy fonts and there'll be loads of websites where you can download them, but bear in mind the license. That's the most important thing to take from this video. Okay, bye.